Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the cash dispenser from the ATM. First things first, always make sure that you power off the ATM. It has to be powered off because if you don't, you might short the cash dispenser board. So ours is powered off. Now we have to release the locking mechanism that locks the cash dispenser drawer in place. So if you look on the left hand side, there's going to be a little thumb screw. Just undo the thumb screw and then you'll be able to put the dispenser like this. And on all four sides there's going to be one screw that holds everything in, except for this one, which is underneath. So I'm going to show you with a close-up. This one is underneath. There's one right here. And on the other side, right here, and right here. Okay, so there you go, underneath. And you always want to try to mark exactly where it is. So I'm gonna take a just a pen, and I'm gonna mark where the front meets on the drawer right here, just so I have it lined up exactly the same way to prevent any problems. So once that is done, okay, now next thing we're going to do is unplug the wiring. Okay, it looks complicated, but there's only two wires. There's this one right here and this big one right here. Just like that. Now you can take this and remove it. So when you put in the new one, make sure again that the power is off on the ATM. You don't want to plug this in while there's power. You're guaranteed to short the board on this dispenser. So let's say you're doing a swap and you want to put the new one. All you got to do is line them up and mark it. Make it align with our marks that we did before removing it. And screwing back all of our screws and then plugging these two connectors into the board. And that's it. That's how simple it is.